Hi there guys, my name is Korak and today I'm going to show you the boosty green background for studio. Let's start.
The package contains a single green background when you unbox the product. The green backdrop is made with high quality and 100% polyester that helps eliminate reflection with stitched edges for a clean look. It measures 8 by 9 feet and is equipped with a rod pocket that allows you to drape or hang it easily. The neatly stitched edges will ensure that the cloth does not tear easily if stepped upon or mishandled during the shoot. The backdrop is non-glossy, soft and durable and easily machine washable. It can be used for portrait, space video or educational video shooting, beauty tutorials, product photography, interview setting, broadcast, filmmaking and more.
Whether you use it for personal or professional use, this backdrop will help you make high quality content. Try it out yourself.